Hi guys. Today we will talk about the most awaited smartphone, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. I know many of you are super excited about this phone, so let me tell you that many details have already come out. What features will be in the phone, how it will look and feel, and the pricing. We will cover all of that in today's video. So please make sure to like the video and let's dive into it. First of all, the look and design of the phone have already been revealed. You can see that this time the phone is coming with a totally new design. The camera module looks like this, and it has vegan leather finishing. How do you like the look and design? Let me know in the comments below. Next, let's move on to the phone's internal specifications. This phone is coming with a 6.67-inch OLED display with a 1.5K resolution, supporting a 120Hz refresh rate. However, for content watching, it supports HDR10 Plus with 5000 nits peak brightness, so the display will be better this time, especially for content watching, gaming, and overall usage. Now let's talk about the cameras. There will be a triple camera setup on the rear with a 50-megapixel main shooter featuring OIS. It's not confirmed which sensor it will use, but it could be the Sony IMX921. Along with that, there will be an 8-megapixel ultra-wide angle and a 2-megapixel macro lens. You'll be able to record 4K videos with this decent quality camera. On the front, it will have a 32-megapixel selfie shooter with punch hole design support. As for performance, this phone is expected to come with the latest Dimensity 7350 processor with an Antutu benchmark score of around 71,000. So, gaming will be a great experience, and the 4000-meter processor will help conserve battery life. The phone will also have liquid cooling support to control heating, which is a decent addition. However, the processor could have been a bit more upgraded. The phone will come with a 5000 mAh battery and support 90 watts fast charging. The design will be a notch above with Gorilla Glass protection, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IR blaster. In China, the price of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G will range from CNY 1,563 to CNY 2,084, with a launch expected by the end of September in the Chinese market. In the United States, the price may be around $219.73. So guys, that's all the details about the upcoming Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. How do you feel about the specs, look, and design of this phone? Do share your opinions in the comments below. For now, I'll sign off. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, and take care.